Hey guys, Tammy with MyDentalGig here. Thanks for joining me today. Today we're going to talk about how to cancel a gig from your PC or tablet. This could either be a scheduled gig, meaning you've been hired for it, or an applied for gig, meaning you've applied for it, but the employer has not yet made a selection. Either way, it's very important to cancel a job if you're no longer able to make it or no longer available. So the first thing you want to do is simply log in, and you are going to land on this landing page, otherwise known as a job board. From here, go to the My Jobs tab. As you see, there are a couple of different tablets under the My Jobs section, but today we're just going to focus on Scheduled For and Applied For. First, let's go to Applied For. Simply select the job that you're no longer available for and hit Cancel Job. It's very important, even though you haven't been hired, to cancel this job as soon as you know you're no longer available, because what that will do is automatically repost that job on the job board for the employer. So the employer that posted that job, their job is now back up on that job board for all others to apply for. From your Scheduled tab, you would basically do the same thing. You simply hit the Cancel Job button. Let's go down to this one here. Keep in mind, if you are canceling a job that is 24 hours or less from the start time, you are going to result in a negative rating, meaning you will get an automatic thumbs down rating. So since this job is for tomorrow, I'm not going to cancel it, but things happen, and if you need to cancel, you can do so. But that is how you cancel a job, either from a scheduled perspective or an applied for perspective, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for joining me again, and we'll see you next time.